How will the future of the fleet industry shape up? It's a question that leaves room for much speculation and anticipation. Today, we delve into the 8 trends that are transforming this dynamic sector, shaping its future, and redefining what it means to manage a fleet. First up, we have predictive maintenance in vehicle management. This trend goes beyond the traditional approach of fixing problems as they occur. Instead, it uses data analysis to anticipate and prevent potential issues before they become major problems. This proactive strategy can save time, money, and potentially lives by keeping vehicles in top shape and minimizing downtime. Next, we have the trend of data transparency. As the world becomes more digital, data is more important than ever. In fleet management, it's essential to have clear, accessible data to make informed decisions. Data transparency allows for better tracking of vehicles, improved maintenance schedules, and more efficient operations overall. Thirdly, we look at cost management. With fuel prices fluctuating and maintenance costs rising, managing costs effectively is vital for the fleet industry. By implementing cost management strategies such as route optimization and efficient fuel usage, companies can significantly reduce expenses and increase profitability. Speaking of fuel, our 4th trend is fuel consumption. With the world becoming more environmentally conscious, reducing fuel consumption is not just a cost-saving measure, but also a responsibility. Advanced fuel management systems and the adoption of electric vehicles are playing a huge role in minimizing the environmental impact of fleets. Next, we move on to advanced telematics. This technology allows for real-time tracking of vehicles, providing valuable data that can be used to improve efficiency, safety, and productivity. From GPS tracking to real-time driver feedback, advanced telematics is revolutionizing the way fleets are managed. In 6th place, we have cybersecurity. As fleets become more connected, they also become more vulnerable to cyber attacks. Protecting sensitive data and ensuring the security of connected vehicles is a top priority in the fleet industry. Our penultimate trend is 5G technology. Faster and more reliable than its predecessors, 5G is set to transform the fleet industry. It will enable real-time data transmission, improved connectivity, and the possibility of autonomous vehicles, bringing fleet management to a whole new level. Lastly, we have 3D printing for replacement parts. This trend is still emerging, but it holds huge potential. It could drastically reduce the time and cost associated with sourcing and replacing parts, making fleet management more efficient. To sum it up, these 8 trends, predictive maintenance, data transparency, cost management, fuel consumption, advanced telematics, cybersecurity, 5G technology, and 3D printing for replacement parts, are shaping the future of the fleet industry. They're driving the industry forward, making it more efficient, secure, and environmentally friendly. As we move deeper into the 21st century, these trends promise a revolution in fleet management, redefining what it means to manage a fleet in a connected digital world.